Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, our channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, education, and pure gastronomic pleasure. Join us as we explore the art of cooking from scratch, sharing our passion for creating delicious meals that will tantalize your taste buds. From classic comfort foods to exotic international dishes, we're here to ignite your culinary creativity and help you master the secrets of the kitchen. Indulge in the irresistible flavors of our delightful tuna casserole recipe. This comforting dish combines tender egg noodles, flavorful tuna, and a creamy sauce that will leave you craving more. With a medley of sautéed onions, mushrooms, and peas, every bite is a delightful symphony of textures and tastes. Topped with melted cheese and baked to perfection, this casserole offers a satisfying crunch and a cheesy indulgence. Whether you're seeking a cozy family meal or a crowd-pleasing potluck dish, our delightful tuna casserole is sure to bring smiles to the table. Prepare to savor a harmony of flavors that will make this recipe a household favorite. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 225 grams, egg noodles. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1 small onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 cup sliced mushrooms. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 cups low-sodium chicken or vegetable broth. 1 cup milk. 1 cup frozen peas. 2 cans, 5 ounces each, tuna, drained. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Half teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and pepper to taste. Half cup breadcrumbs, optional. Fresh parsley, chopped, optional, for garnish. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish and set aside. Cook the egg noodles according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become fragrant and slightly softened, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the sliced mushrooms to the skillet and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until they release their moisture and become tender. Sprinkle the flour over the vegetables and stir well to coat. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly, to cook off the raw flour taste. Slowly pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. Add the milk and continue stirring until the mixture thickens and comes to a gentle simmer. Stir in the frozen peas, drained tuna, shredded cheddar cheese, dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, until the cheese is melted and the peas are heated through. Add the cooked egg noodles to the skillet and toss gently to combine, ensuring the noodles are coated with the sauce and the ingredients are evenly distributed. Transfer the mixture to the greased baking dish, spreading it out evenly. If desired, sprinkle breadcrumbs over the top for an extra crunch. Place the casserole in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden and bubbly. Once cooked, remove the casserole from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley, if desired, before serving. This delightful tuna casserole is a comforting and satisfying dish that brings together the flavors of tuna, vegetables, and cheese in a creamy sauce. It's perfect for a family dinner or potluck gathering. Enjoy!